Hello, hi, welcome. So today we are going to discuss about my favorite topic, and that is about affirmations. How I manifested many things in my life through affirmations. If you are seeing my WhatsApp posts, your Facebook post or Insta post, you always see that how I am always focusing on affirmations and how easy it is to do, and but how magnificent it is to achieve through affirmations. So if you are seeing this me first time talking about that, then this is my intention box, and I love to give that tip to you. Okay, so this is my intention box, and it is just simple cosmetic box, and it is full of my intentions. These are just of last 15 days, I guess, and before that, these are how many see how many they are. So I have completed kind of 2-3 boxes. I have started many months before on this journey, and slowly I'm going to tell you what I had manifested through it. So the first manifestation I wanted to share today is this, that is the IGNOU University stamp. You can see, so I'm pursuing psychology exam, masters in psychology through IGNOU University, which is an open university where you can learn by staying at your home and doing whatever job you do, but you need to attend their practical sessions, and you need to fill the assignments, submit it, and give exams, and it is of 2 years. So this idea first started in my mind, or impregnated in my mind, by my brother, my eldest brother, that is Parikshit is his name. So how it is started is, many times if you have heard to this quote that that is quoted as, through wound enters the light, right? Through wound enters the light. So first time it is by Rumi, and first time when I listened to it, I was like, okay, something new to listen. But when I'm going ahead in my life, then I'm experiencing how important part of life it constitutes, that quote. Okay, so in the lockdown, as you all know, the situations are not good for all of us. We were not working. We were taking care of our family more than anything in our life. It was the most important task for us. But for those who are very career oriented, ambitious oriented, for those mothers, it was kind of difficult time because we need to just sit and take care of our children who are very small, and that was happy, but yet as we are not progressing ahead in our life, so we used to feel very demotivated by that. Okay, so it is definitely the most loveliest job to do, to take care of our children, but when it remains as the only job in our life, then definitely it is somehow we feel that what we are doing in our life. So it started with that. That was my wound, that was my pain point, and through that entered the light. Then I started taking courses. I attended Shilpa Ma'am's course. Through Shilpa Ma'am's MDM, that is $1 Million Morning Routine program. Then I joined every class of her, whatever course she started with. I attended all those courses because I know that if I get a good guide or mentor, then everything is possible for me. Just like in from childhood, I used to see the picture of Mahabharat, image of Mahabharat, where there is Kurukshetra. On the Kurukshetra, Krishna is holding that conch shell, and Krishna is showing path to Arjuna, and victory was inevitable. And even whenever I listened to Bhagavad Gita, every time I had listened to this quote, that where there is Krishna and Arjun, there is victory. So I was very coachable since the childhood of mine, but I was just wandering or searching for a good guide or mentor, and I got through Shilpa Ma'am. It was just start of my journey, and yes, that's why I said that my story is not yet done, because bigger things are yet to come in my life. Okay, my story is far from done, because best is yet to come. So here is one of the glimpse of the this best, that is completion of this assignment. I was writing this in my affirmations, 6 months. I was writing this continuously, that I am completing my assignments, I am submitting it. So March end was the end date for submission, and it got extended, and then I shifted to second term, and then again this time also I was feeling that this is very hard task for me. But what I did this time wisely, what I asked for is a good guide or mentor, somebody. I must get somebody to guide me what to do, how to copy, what to write in the assignments. And I manifested that through affirmation. Okay, so I manifested this friend of mine. Her name is Kritika Burse, and she helped me. She called me. She consoled me that Vasundhara, it's not difficult at all. It's very much easy. You just start it. And I already had wrote 3 assignments out of 6 in the halfway, but it was just like I was procrastinating, or I was not feeling that how to do it. And her words, just those kind words, helped me. So whatever I have gained till now in my life is through whatever I did for myself and for others. Okay, so Kritika approached me by seeing my status post every day, and she was like, we felt connected, we connected. And then she said, oh, you are not finished your assignments yet. Then she just guided me, and it happened in the flow, effortlessly, easily. Okay, so I manifested this guide of psychology for me. Then I manifested a beautiful and wonderful nature of my daughter, where she is very, I always when last year she was very obsessed with the one of the dress, and she always wanted to use that dress. I just used to affirm, and now also I affirm that Vrunda is very understanding and caring girl. Whenever we go, everywhere we may go, but she will be get appreciated by others, and she's very understanding, she's calm. And at that very situation 1 year before, it was very difficult. If you are affirming this, that when she was so obsessed with the dress and she was so crying, she's throwing, not actually tantrums, but they cry, right? They cry and they do drama and all those things. So at that time also, I felt that this is the right affirmation for me, and I affirmed. Okay, and when I affirmed that, it became the reality now. So whatever I'm seeing on the vision board, half of the things are manifested. My first desire in the Shilpa ma'am's MDM, that is $1 Million Morning Routine, was to have slim body, fit, and shiny skin, and the bulky hair. So all these were my desires, and I kind of feel that they are already fulfilled. Not exactly slim, but I have a very good physique now as compared to before, because when I had gone to Mumbai, everybody was there appreciating my height and everything. So because I always every day affirmed that I'm loved, cared, valued, respected, and appreciated. So I always feel that every problem of yours can be solved through affirmations. I trust that, and you can see that I'm doing every day this full of all the things I'm doing. This is not going in vain. Every day, I think if I read any one of them, I must have been manifested, or it is going to manifest someday. I'm all happy, energetic, lovely, and loving, caring one. I'm attracting right clients. Money is coming to me easily and effortlessly. Everything around me is so perfect for my own growth. I'm safe. We are safe. We are protected. We are loved. We are blessed. We are always guarded by angels in my life. I'm beautiful. I'm loved. I'm cared, protected, appreciated. I'm always finding solutions. I'm very, very happy to see myself growing every day. Vrunda is happy, healthy, and wise. I love my life. We are loving each other immensely every day. Love is the only language. We are blessed with the best wealth and health. We are loving the. We are having the best food on our plate. I am having the best made cook for food. I'm removing all the negativity inside me. I am all positive and doing wonders in my life, in others' lives too. So this is like 1 to 2 months before, but I really manifested cook. So if I explore any one of those, so I have found many things in my life, and they are getting fulfilled, and I'm very happy to see that. And yes, everything is easy for me now, effortless and easy, just because I have got this beautiful trick, and that is affirmations. Many more things are yet to come, many more things I don't even remember, but every day I feel that miraculous day for me, just because I have tuned myself, I have gained knowledge, I have always sought for the right mentor in my life, and I followed that mentor with heart. I have not created any negative words or thoughts about that mentor. Even if I think for a while, I just think, okay, it's okay. Okay, so whatever knowledge that person, that mentor has to share with me, that is only my dealing with that person. So whatever things that person may be doing in his or her own life, that is none of my matter. I just want knowledge to become my guru, and it is knowledge always works through people, person. Universe always works through people, a person. Knowledge itself will not come and tell you that, see, I'm going to share with you. A person will come in your life and will share the knowledge that she or he has learned, okay, through his or her experiences. So whenever you get that sense that this person is right for me, always approach, always surrender, and that right person, right intuition will be good to go for you. Okay, so trust, believe, trust in the process, have strong faith in yourself and the almighty or the power you believe in, and just take those risks. Everything is possible if you take action, because action takers, action plus affirmation plus action and belief is equal to miracles, and that is what I am facing every day, and that is what my whole community is seeing every day. They are witnessing it. They are growing so strong as a community. I myself get surprised many times seeing their love, connection and bonding. Okay, so what are you waiting for? I have started already with my first batch of affirmation, Affirm, Believe, Achieve workshop, and the second batch is going to start from 14th of the November, and which is paid. Right now it is just for 1,000 rupees, 1,100 I guess, including all the GST and convenience fees. So it is 1,100, but after New Year it is going to be 2,500, because I want to reach, I want to grow, and I want to learn. And if I want to learn, then I need to pay to the courses. I want to learn from many mentors, and like Riddhi Devra, and even for digital marketing, I need to invest 50,000 for Riddhi Devra's beautiful course, gold or platinum membership. Something is there that I wanted to enroll from 2 to 3 months. So yes, I need to affirm for that. I guess I'm going to soon affirm for that. I'm getting money for attending the course of Riddhi Devra, and also Gopal Krishna's digital marketing. That also I want to attend, and for that also I need money. So it is the time that if I am giving value, if I am giving a service to you, then it is always good to get that energy exchange, so that it will keep me going, and it also keeps you going, because when you pay, you become serious and responsible towards it, and it's a good thing. Okay, so if you are hesitant towards paying for all the mental health other people are awareness, other people are creating, then please don't be, because whenever you prioritize your mental health, it will be the best thing for you. You will become an asset for which, like, everything is possible. And when everything is possible for you, then money is just will come into your life, like in the abundance. And that is going to come in my life also, I'm very sure, because money is not only the target of mine. My goal is to lifelong learning. I want to be a lifelong learner, and that the same attitude I want to inculcate in others, and I'm seeing already they are inculcating it, and I just want you to also get that habit. Okay, so if you are just here watching and then moving to another video, then stop, pause, analyze and take action. Okay, so link is in the description box below, and even for my Facebook page, Life Coach Vasu, and Instagram handle will be also given in the description box below. See it, click on it, take action, and take action now. Okay, and if you like this video, like, share, subscribe and comment that what point you liked more. Okay, bye bye, see you.